Hello everyone, welcome to the ICT course, Information and Communication Technology. We're going to learn from the ICT Cambridge book. This is the cover of the book we'll be learning from. Chapter 15, Proofing. So we'll be talking about proofing, page 138, so let's start. Grammar checkers can be used to check that, first of all, sentences end with only one full stop. Second, there is a capital letter at the beginning of each sentence. So grammar checkers make sure that always the first letter of the sentence is capital. Third, common errors like writing you and I rather than you and me. So grammar checkers found inside the Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel always check these three common mistakes. Let's continue with the Microsoft Word to see how to check the grammar mistakes. First of all, when we have a spelling mistake in the paragraph written, Microsoft Word will put a red line under the word. As you can see here, the word document is missing an O. So to correct it, we put the cursor on the word and we click right-click. So a correction of the word document appears. So if I click on it, the word automatically gets fixed, as you can see right here. Now for example, let's write OBA, which is the name of our school, anywhere. Word OBA is not a word found in the English dictionary, so Microsoft Word won't be able to realize it. So how can we let Microsoft Word realize it? Since there's a red line under it, as you can see, but the word is actually correct. So we're going to press right-click and click on Add to Dictionary. So in case we wrote it another time, Microsoft Word will realize it. So as you can see, the red line is now removed. So if I write it again, for example here, no red line appears since it's now in Microsoft's Word dictionary. However, if, for example, I wrote my name somewhere, Microsoft Word will put a red line since it doesn't know it. But now in this case, I do not want to add my name to the dictionary. I just want to remove the red line. So I'm going to click, right-click, and here Microsoft Word gave me a lot of choices to correct the word, but Basima is a name. So I'm going to click on Ignore All, and as you can see, the red line is now removed.